Yes, I love
Facebook. Look around. Look around. My big house. My kids.
Ana okotwadian.
Yes, we dwane. Ngo fo me po abegina bi kwa se onko police station.
Akwa na dwane.
Look around me catch no. Look around. Ya yes go. So akwa yes we dwane okọ.
We dwane.
Look around betimi twa ntro. We dwane.
What me discover bebe na dwane.
Look around me catch no. We dwane.
Akwa Ninkwesha enchen wo
Kasa wo kanya asem de maso na etie ana
say the way you were no be mama yira me story line me pese me twa dandum bia ahye me selawo ti kan wo ye minua ba ena me nsum enya se me no te bone die sin ena ma ba se me sro fa che me e mi an ma criticize confusion ba mo no unse me hwa muniska it won't try possible. Madam Bako Watford, Unim Watford. England. Yes. One month 500, maybe be so swam.
Timmy boys Nibeka.
Oh, no,
but Scasam dear.
Convince one.
Say, Cassia be more near boy.
Yes, I love to get a bonny same quan and make one here in Yabia. Chani senkwana mikwani amenyebia Mameje, papeje, bimbwa miona muye motemeze Mameje, papeje, bimbwa miono yedi mwahayo Krabipo, seme nyobeya Minso miko, kanso misi kanso Timini adamfo Break up, be as my sweat, I'm a sweat. La hustle, yes, I love. Yes, I love. La hustle, yes, I love. Yes, I love. La hustle, yes, I love. Yes, I
love. Unya. Komona me no die na ntini aba. Unza me catch us say yinhia. What I say. Na mon prepare mo. What I say because adwuma dia wo ya bibia na twa say going smooth. Yeah. So anuntia na aba.
I say ni one me kan no. So me ba na me no betina ase. Ni di hu komoni ade. Bi ti say na back and forth ade ba den be nyan agree. Nti ama bibia eden eto na akwa mama jiji bibia ma sisi bibia eden okay.
Oh nice. Ma jiji scan obi atwa. Oh nice. Wo ene wo me kwa chiri mimi penny pa o ka so onye bibia na oye ne sharp. I'm very appreciated. Yeah.
Na tsanye de kan no say ka wonko a ka de say pay for say be jiji scan na amount.
Unia we footballer kasayi. What I say? Unam at the chim was as pity. What I say? Men and name swa nipan. What I say? Aha. It's no nye bibia na kasatintin. They make an what I say.
Okay, Martin T. Ya ye dey ase me dey be mo no.
Unia, mena agent na me manamu say me na me lead. Ti me je say the bibia ni a munimuno me na munimi. What I say.
So yeah, you guys, I've seen a lot of talent in you guys. You guys are really doing well. Keep it up, eh? The sky is the limit.
Me pese me jina so quick. Na me yemo passport no, me yemo documents fast. Na me give it some mama. Why? Unihow. Agency in the doors, many bill consult for Casa, bill traveling to consult. Yeah, me know one more Casa agency be bill consult. Me who say me a genuine pa. Ba me re woman born a din kaka. Ba me uncle fobo or mama 100 Ghana kwa umti me give some. Aha, ti woman sana. Minyanka, Mama, or Magic.
What do you say?
So you guys shouldn't stop training, eh? Oh, make sure you train harder. We'll link up later, okay?
You can go. You can go. No, dear, Bibiani, I'm a friend. No, Leffy. Some my show me fee.
Yeah.
It's in Bibiani. Only me, Papa.
I don't think Papa. I mean,
Boss.
Why?
I don't know for the boy.
Hey, Unya, yeah, Boa, so then
Babe. What's up?
Boga na ho.
Me boga.
Oida, so wa bere to all rest. Eh. Enti sisi Joe Smart na hihye adwuma ma o. Chese ono na ma boy.
Joe Smart. No onem taste kura. Ono betimi apebo ya mama. O si na investor. No akwa na so buy o so person better hotel. Ntina Joe Smart me fan ntina ha na. Unse me host no fie ni ade. Na me de obetimi am boy. Onem taste kura. Hey.
Kasa de.
Hey. Stop. Asemi o bosi Jaisa.
Fanboy no
Me si
kasa.
dey no me tia bo na so kra boy. Ade na kasa sa. Me si yatika ni me tim sister. Small boy in kasa sa. Say young boy or say young man.
Fine boy out kasa sa de. Me dey ya me mpe me mo kasa bebre sa o. Ope kasa de na etene me off.
Etene of wabepel. Twemani amabon dabro ani je ho. Twemani amabon. Dabo eni wo wa.
O me me. Oh. Oye me taste.
What me hu na hu say your type. Wo. We dey opa ka chere me say we ahaya na be sie enko ba bia.
Me ko dance na kasa me bejo boy.
Me say I said me. Weni wo.
Me.
One day we are weni aso. Weni wo.
Okay.
Hey.
Sine. Medas pa nyami shila. Ya wayen meni achepa. Kwenya wa kan krofon ka o me doubt me kakra.
On him side there, a percentage and then share the fast now.
Open temo. Juina Fafaka Bibiania.
Na member G percentage na and no.
Oh, una percentage in any. Say one dorsum and I mean so me pesame no quafo. Intin pesame koye bibia quick mawom. Me das a pen.
Na oyeria audio mo coin. Oyeria audio mo coin.
Champion, ye business you. Katakra, send me Togo visa. Mini pebi Togo. Make a chom so could be 4 days with Togo. There's our my transit. 2 years.
Jina.
Obi in prayer and yes, Ada.
Sister cities.
Macho man, yes,
energy. Me pebium.
Oh, Puskan.
Assemble one or befici. What?
Massa. I some lamia. Dear my Assamana mepe. Assemble.
Serious, I was telling you, look, in way back in America, right? I mean, I used to buy a lot of houses. Sometimes when I make money, when I sell my gold and my diamonds to my business partners, I just used to buy properties, because property is everything that you can have, you know what I'm saying? So in New Jersey, I got a house in New Jersey, in Brooklyn. Some of the houses I don't remember, Miami, Los LA, I got houses everywhere. You know why? Because when I do business, when I sell my gold and my diamonds, I don't keep the money because, a lot of people be coming in my DM and be texting me they want money, so I just buy stocks. Or I do like a Bitcoin, or I buy properties, like I buy houses everywhere, because I know it's mine, you know what I'm saying, right? Look, there's this time, I gotta tell you this, there's this time I went out with my friends, like white friends. I don't normally like white people, but because I want to do business, so I gotta keep them close to me, right? So we wanted like this big yacht, right? And a lot of girls, working and dancing with my white friends, and we're playing music. We had Puff Daddy come perform for us and all that. I paid him, I think, $100,000. Yeah, I did. So he was there to perform, right? So I was holding this wine and I was snapping, I was chilling, right? There was a lot of beautiful girls, and then boom, the wine was in the water, right? So there were these sharks that was going around the wine, because they know that's expensive wine. very expensive, right? So the sharks were moving around the wine, they're moving, and then all of a sudden, right, one of the sharks brought the wine out. And then the captain came to take the wine, and he said, this is a wine of life, right? So we all, we gave the yacht the wine of life. You know what I'm saying? The yacht. That's so funny. You should be laughing. This is so funny. Look, you don't want to eat anything? You don't want to eat? Look, let me tell you something. When I take you out, you got to give me a reason to spend, baby girl. I want to spend some good money on you. You understand what I'm saying? I got too much money. I don't know who to give. Take anything that you want. Rice?
Yes, I ordered for rice.
You did?
Right.
Yeah. You got CDs on you?
Yes.
Because I don't walk around with CDs because I have dollars with me, I think sometimes when I want to change money, I get scared, so I don't really change money. But good, you have CDs. We're gonna pay, and we're gonna be okay. Excuse me, can you get us more wine? The most expensive one, right? She's gonna pay. So funny. Listen, last time I was in LA, right? Kevin Hart called me that he wanted me to do a budget for him for a new movie, right? But then him and 50 Cent were fighting because 50 Cent wanted me and then Kevin wanted, but I gotta choose Kevin because Kevin is my man, right? So he gave me this white girl. Oh my God, this white girl, she be talking too much, telling me about her grandmom and I don't want to listen to all that. I want to spend money. I want to spend money, right? You gotta make me spend money. I'm telling you, real talk though. Look, from here, I want to use some of your money to buy some clothes for myself because the clothes that I brought is getting small, so I need some new clothes. I need to get some boxers and some jeans and some shit. Yeah. You got some more money? We can get that at the mall. Yeah, we got shit. I'm gonna get some things for you. So far, so far.
Benzo.
What's up, shorty?
Do you need anything?
No, Can I talk to you for a second?
Okay.
Well, I was really bored inside and, I was just thinking if you can take me out, grab a drink, eat something. I just want to spend some time with you.
Take me out. What about candies?
Candies? Really? I'll sort it out. Now I want to spend some time with you. I'll talk to you later. That's not a problem.
Okay, but what do you really feel like doing?
Anything. As long as I'm out with you, I'm cool,
Okay, let me think. Oh, yes. So there's this really good restaurant across the street and they have really good food. So let me go in there, wear something nice so we can go.
But good for me. I'll be waiting downstairs. Sit over there.
Do you like it?
That's beautiful. You got taste.
I told you were going to like this place.
You got taste. This is beautiful. This place reminds me of my place in New York City. You know what? Way back in America, in New York City, I got this beautiful basement restaurant. And, my restaurant is not meant for, kids of $500 and $200. No, we're gonna bounce you. Because, I got people like DJ Khaled tripping in. I got 50 Cent. I got Kevin Hart. I got Dwayne Johnson. I got Tyler Perry. I got people tripping out, millionaires. I don't work with poor people. I don't work with people who don't have nothing. Because you gotta have a stunt. You know what I'm saying? Because I make money. I spend money every day. You know what I'm saying? Floyd Mayweather?
Yeah.
I don't like that guy. You know why? Because he brags. He talks too much. When you have money, you don't brag. You don't talk too much.
Okay, can we order for the food now?
You want to order for food?
Yeah, I'm hungry. I want to order food.
It can wait. Food can wait. I gotta tell you something. I make too much money when I sleep. I feel like my money is my duvet. That's how bad I make money. Girl, what you talking about? See my ring? That's a 24 karat gold. Yeah, man, girl. Let me tell you something, right? You got CDs on you?
I told you were going to pay for the food. Don't you have money?
Well, I have money, I have dollars on, but I can walk around with cities, it's not safe. Whatever we're gonna eat is gonna be on you, but as soon as I'm going home, I'm gonna take some money from the ATM and I'm gonna spoil you, I'm gonna spray some dollars on you, girl. You guys see this, right?
Yes, I have.
That's what I'm talking about, girl. Look at you. Hey, come over here. We're gonna shut this place down, girl. I'm gonna spray some money on you. Girl, you know something? I'm gonna give you this move. Way back in America, we're gonna go, you're gonna die tonight, girl. You're gonna die tonight, girl. You're gonna spend some money on me, you're gonna die. Yo, come over here. You're gonna give me kulikana, you know kulikana? You know kulikana? You're gonna drink kulikana tonight, girl. Bring me all the expensive drink that you have. She gonna pay. You gonna pay.
Me ko Saudi. Anything I person mentor we almost 2,000 but who say like we your boy, me your boy. Anything I person me 1,000 am hunto.
Business dey. Me business my be no save. What you say? Me my business me nim pan fa kase na adele. Eni ama na wa ha. Any o structure our bon. And deserve 1,000 Ghana. What I say, Mammy, my 800.
Minia, you trust what I'm 90. I'm 90 I'm the person me casa baby bro. I'm 90. I'm 90.
And my business and your casa 10.
I'm 90.
Oh dear, Mama 800.
Mama 9.
Why?
Mama 9. My casa baby. Mama 9.
But what dear? And your problem? Scanning Bema. Now, you mean you're beyond me. Yeah, for why? Minia's office out your own.
You don't want to about story who?
Why? And you may
into be about me, cousin.
I will say, Miss Mepe. Why? What do you mean? Me buy a bacon.
I shut a wall of money at Tony, shut a wall of stone boy, come Eugene Patapine. I don't Tony, my brother. Into the Metro. Why? Metro. Hey, Charlie.
Oh my God. Oh my. Oh! Oh my God! You know what? When you rub your fingers around my nipple, oh my God, I feel like I'm. You know what? I want to travel with you around the world. I want to take you to Miami. I want to take you to New York City. Matter of fact, you got a passport?
Of course I do.
You know what? Next week I'm booking our ticket. You know what? Like business class, we're gonna be close to the pilot, straight to Dubai.
Oh.
Dubai.
I've been to Dubai like 5 times already. I'm tired. I think I want to go to Europe.
You want to go to Europe?
Yes.
Oh my God. You know the ambassador for Germany is my friend.
Oh really?
I'm gonna call him as soon as I'm done with this. I'm calling him tomorrow. And then we're done. We're going to Europe. I'm gonna take you to Belgium. I'm gonna take you to Manhattan. I'm gonna take you to places, girl.
Thank you.
It's gonna make me feel good. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh. So you know that's how when you're playing the scene where you're supposed to. Hi guys. She's shooting a movie, so that's like a rehearsal.
Momoy, who come any mass you? Who come any mass? You know, see, I'm going your type no. One can't change up when you type, and you bear my crowd type. I open now. Want to be an end now.
Momo, you said that about me? She said that about me? I cannot believe you did that.
Mama, it will not catch him. Say me, I am man. They actually now me my fault.
Listen, dude. Listen, nigga. You know, it's not what you think, alright? You know, I was just on my own, and she came up to me that she went for an audition, and then she got a role, so she wanted me to take her through some kissing scenes. So you know.
Oh, she surely did. She turned into an actress overnight.
It's a passion.
Passion.
She told you that.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Candy, listen. You say that about me?
Oh, Pacho Meba. Oh, Missy Meba. Oh, tu Bruno. Oh, I do get a pro. I do get a. Hey, I'm Pacho Munya with a Mimbia Pone. Oh, I don't want to mean Mimbio. Ah, I do get a. Hey. I do get Yeah, both team. You were training ground now by on guy. So agent. Okay, but you have a crowd with you. And the woman say, oh, papa, until your first camera. This kind of man. So you have a crowd with you. That you win Sika, you win agent. She said anything, you hear Sika, and then me patch on Yabote. That's anything. It is one pa say, send me bay a city. No, so none but catch him so we agent or the Mumbo Abuchi, Aquacoboa. I didn't mean say you demand to me this kind of demand. Yeah, Mamika, you're young Colau. And buy no do be buy. When you must say, some man be, I am no good one. Or the catcher say, or not board the players be free. I have said, who could have played your boat? I tell me, I am sure. So, or no, your more outside a cobo. I can't play as by the audio. I catch you say, you for amount same bra. Or you ever caught that same. That's not so. It's not what's on my. That's why you win, you Sika. You shall have your own. And then you know our own. I the quantum missing Yabucheno. Minian say, Momujano, what did you mean, Musika? Yes, Jessica. Be a teacher. But all count. Oh, pure, we player. Master, questions now. It is a man as I could a car, and when you say, Sacramai, Edica, what didn't read in it? It is only one crop of me, meet you, and it's your man. Munya would say, eh? Me pese nyina yeko na ekotenase na minimum a schedule na mi hu bia ka ewo mu bia sika yi na mi twema me ba ne de na bibia etimi etoyi kese enti enko challenge mamu tweme ada tweme kwa ga tweme munya bejiska munya botre bejiska na bejiska me pede de what enko challenge enko me pede munya botre so dem for so me ade enko any time sao besi baba osa any time for America munya botre me for La hustle, yes, I love you.
Yes, in Fatame. Miniano. Say, maybe a juma. My titty more may be a juma. Many times, oh, I don't pass a man may be in Tiabeto. Dabby, I drink a soap with Jimmy Fuana. My Jimmy Mahon. The Aquasiama, my boy. The Aquasiama. And you won't be the coming baby news. So, may I mean, I can't not so will be. But you want a while. Oh, Papa. But wiggy way, how many inches? 2,500. 20 inches. More 25 inches. I know, we are 3,500. Bone straight. But 25 inches, me and me pedia. I said waves, and a hand and me press straight one to back. Faka, me nails name me pedicure man. Ain't you canning now, my bayan? Because I wear 7,000. Any me nails name a pedicure. Yeah. Okay, patch your Fabio in the bread. My boy or a bit me that's it. And a big yo, and one no. Yeah, the end, the young Kunia mamma. She say, everybody says I was sorting you. And say, I know which ya. Okay. Nice and nice. 7,000. It is 70 million gyro. 70 million. 70 million. Oh,
What the hell is going on here? What are you doing in my room?
Don't come close.
What are you doing in my room?
Scream.
Scream.
You scam.
Yes, I